In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a community poll that drives engagement. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to set up a poll on your subreddit and how to write a question that actually gets people to participate and share their opinions. Let's start at the very beginning, on Reddit itself. First, head over to your subreddit. This can be one that you moderate, or simply your own community space where you regularly post. Make sure you're logged into the right account and that you have permission to create posts in that subreddit. Once you're on the main page of the community, look for the button or area that says Create Post. This is usually near the top of the page. Go ahead and click Create Post to open up the Post Composer. Inside the Post Composer, you'll see different options for the type of content you can create. Instead of a regular text post or a link, you want to create a poll. So find and select the option labeled Poll. This tells Reddit that this post will allow users to vote between different choices rather than just reading or commenting. Now comes the part that really determines whether your poll will drive engagement, the question itself. You want to ask simple, clear questions that your community can answer quickly, without having to think too hard or read a lot of background information. A great example might be, what type of post do you enjoy most? This kind of question is short, easy to understand, and directly related to improving the community. When you're writing your question, imagine what your average community member sees as they scroll. They should be able to read the question in a second or two and instantly know how they feel about it. Avoid complicated wording, multiple questions in one sentence, or anything that feels confusing. The simpler and more focused the question, the more likely people are to vote. Once your question is set, you can add the answer options that match it, making sure each option is clear and distinct. Before you finalize the poll, read everything out loud to yourself. Ask if it feels natural, easy to understand, and relevant to your community. When you're happy with it, publish your poll post. As people start voting, you'll not only boost engagement, but you'll also gather valuable insights about what your community actually enjoys.